students, in the last class, chapter 10 surface areas and volumes completed. So examples also completed. We did so many problems in surface areas and volumes. And what is surface area, what is volume, everything completed. So practice that chapter very well and write CW also about chapter 10 surface areas and volumes. Today we are going to start chapter 9 statistics. Next chapter, chapter 9 statistics. Statistics. So where we see statistics in our daily life, in cricket matches we see statistics. In cricket matches, circular diagrams are there. Diagram is divided into, circle is divided into number of parts. There, what they are writing inside each and every part, they are writing runs. And this type of diagrams are there. In comparison of scores, what they use? Statistics. And this type of diagrams are there. Everything belongs to statistics, runs comparison. So best example in cricket matches we see statistics. This is pie chart, PIE, pie chart. Circle is divided into number of parts. Each and every part is known as sector. And what they are doing in cricket matches, they are writing runs inside every sector. Second diagram, it is a curve. First over, how many runs? Second over, how it is going on, increasing order. So there, to represent runs, they use this type of diagram. Third one, bar diagram. Rectangles are there. First over, how many runs? Second over, how many runs, like that. So to represent the scores, they use different diagrams. All these diagrams belongs to statistics. Then, what is statistics? Introduction. About statistics, introduction. Introduction about statistics. So remember, best example for statistics, cricket matches. In cricket matches, to represent runs, they use statistics. Best example. What is the introduction of statistics? Okay, na? First of all, data. Define data. Data. What is data? You know what is data? Most of you use the word data. What is the meaning of word data? Data definition, the collection of information. The collection of, very first definition, the collection of information is known as data. First point in introduction, collection of information is known as data. Define data. And in internet also we use the word data. So what is data? Collection of information. Information collection. Maybe your friends' addresses collection. Maybe your friends' phone numbers collection. It is known as data. Collection of information is known as data. See the word collection. Collection of information is known as data. The word statistics is derived. It is derived from the Latin word status, Italian word statista, German word statistic. Okay na? So it is derived. It is derived. It is derived from the. So the word statistics is derived from the number one, Latin word. Latin word. What is the Latin word? Status. Number two, Italian word. Italian word. What is that? Statistic. Statista. Statista. Number 3, German word. Statistic. So these three are important. The word statistics is derived from the Latin word. What is the Latin word? Latin is the language. From the Latin word status, Italian word statista, German word statistic. See, all the three words important. Actually, it is not direct word. It is derived from other languages. So, statistics is derived from the word statistics is derived from the Latin word. Important. Latin word is what? Status. And where we use the word status, and most of the people use the word status. Most of the politicians, they use the word status. What they are asking, do you know my status? They are talking like that. So, status, Latin word status, Italian word statista, German word statistic, which means, what is the meaning? Political state. Political state or government. Political state or government. So first point, introduction first point, collection of information is known as data. First point completed. Second point, the word statistics is derived from the Latin word status. You know the word status, it is most popular word. Number 2, Italian word statista, language. German word, Germany language, statistic, which means a political state or government. This is the second point. Third point, what is the definition of statistics? Definition of statistics is, define statistics. Third point, definition of statistics. Define statistics. Okay, na? Statistics definition. It is a branch of mathematics. In mathematics, so many branches are there. Geometry, algebra, trigonometry. Like that, so many branches are there. It is one of the branch of mathematics. So, the branch of mathematics definition. The branch of mathematics. The branch of mathematics which deals with collection. First word, collection, means information gathering, comma, classification, so dividing the data into number of parts, and interpretation. Interpretation means analysis. Interpretation of numerical data. Numerical data is known as statistics. So, write the definition of statistics. First, write the definition of statistics. Then we talk about the definition. So, what is the definition of statistics? The branch of mathematics. It is the branch of mathematics. In mathematics, so many branches are there. It is one of the branch. The branch of mathematics which deals with three important words are there in statistics. Number 1, collection, data collection. Number 2, classification, data classification. Number 3, data interpretation. Three are very important. The branch of mathematics which deals with collection, classification and interpretation of numerical data is known as statistics. So, what are the three important words in statistics? Number one, collection. Number two, classification. Number three, what is number three? Interpretation of numerical data. What is numerical data? Definition: data present in the form of numbers. Data present in the form of numbers is known as numerical data. So what is numerical data? Data present in the form of numbers. Numeric means numbers. Statistics deals with numbers. What are the examples for numerical data? Your roll number, your marks, cricket score, everything belongs to numerical data. Statistics deals with numbers. So statistics contains numbers. The data present in the form of numbers is known as numerical data. Numeric means numbers. What are the examples for numerical data? Your roll number, your marks and cricket score, everything belongs to numbers. Numerical data. So, data present in the form of numbers is known as numerical data. That is fourth point. Fifth point, who developed statistics? Who developed statistics? Question for you. Who is the developer of statistics? Like father of statistics. Father of statistics is Sir Ronald Fisher. The name of the mathematician, Sir Ronald Fisher. He is the developer of statistics. Father of statistics, Sir Ronald Fisher, British mathematician. So, who is the developer of? So many are there actually. Out of all mathematicians, one mathematician is very important. He is the developer of statistics. So, father of statistics is Sir Ronald Fisher, British mathematician. Sir Ronald Fisher, British mathematician. Who is Sir Ronald Fisher? Father of statistics, developer of statistics. Statistics deals with numbers, numerical data. Only numerics are there. Statistics deals with numerical data. Father of statistics, Sir Ronald Fisher. Then, to represent numerical data, we use number one, pie diagram. Already I told you what is pie diagram. It is in the shape of circle, circular diagram. This is pie diagram, you know, pie diagram. Circle is divided into number of parts. Each and every part is known as sector. And inside every sector we write numerical data. So, number one, pie diagram. Number two, bar diagram. Bar diagram. This is bar diagram, you know. Like that. Every rectangle represents numerical data. Then, third one, pictograph. Pictograph means it consists of pictures. So, to represent numerical data, we use number one, pie diagram. Pie diagram consists of sectors. Number 2, bar diagram. Bar diagram consists of rectangles. Number 3, pictograph. Pictograph consists of pictures. So to represent numerical data we use pie diagram. Very important topic. To represent numerical data we use pie diagram. This is pie diagram. Pie diagram contains sectors. Inside every sector we write numerical data. Number 2, bar diagram. Bar diagram consists of rectangles. Every rectangle represents numerical data. Some rectangles are very high. Some rectangles are very low. Third one, pictograph or picture. So, what is the third point? Definition. This is the definition of statistics. The branch of mathematics which deals with collection, classification and the interpretation of numerical data. Only numbers. Statistics deals with numbers only. Remember, statistics deals with numbers only. Fourth one, data present in the form of numbers is known as numerical data. What is numerical data? Very simple. Numeric means number. And to represent numerical data we use number 1, pie diagram consists of sectors. Number 2, bar diagram consists of rectangles. Number 3, pictograph consists of pictures. In the next class, we continue the remaining introduction. Thank you, students.